Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Awesome Club 2.0. So guys, this is the part 9 of our RHCSA Version 10 series in which we will cover the complete curriculum of RHCSA. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and share it to your IT friends, and let's start without any delay. So in today's videos, we will cover here getting help from local documentation. That means if you are working in your Linux system, so in Linux, how you can take the help? Like if you don't know the use of any command, or if you forgot the use of command or any option. So for that, here we have help option. How we can take the help, that we will discuss in today videos. So here, let's go to the terminal and then I will show you. So guys, here if you forgot the use of any command, so here we have a utility that is called man. Man stands for manual. Right, with this command you can check the manual of any command, and it is mostly suitable for the like we can say external commands which is accessed by any file. So if I will run this man command with any command like mkdir, enter, so it will show you name, the command of name list, mkdir, make directories, synopsis, how you can use that command. So mkdir, then if you want to use any option you can use, and then directory name. Description is what you can do with this command: create the directory if they do not already exist. Then enter, and here these are the options which you can use with that command. Like -m is for mode. So if you want to set any file mode as in ch mode, like if you want to set the permission or something, you can use -m. -p is for parent, and -b is for verbose, -z is for SELinux context value if you want to set. Author, so it is written by David McKenzie. And reporting bugs, so here is the site where you can report your bugs, copyrights, and all the information available here. Q for quit, so with the q you can exit. So this is how you can use man command to take the help, or if I will use with any other command also like pwd. So here it is showing print name of working directory. Pwd option you can use print the full name. -l is for logical, -p is for physical. Author, copyrights, all the information you can check here. Then if you are using man command, so we have some shortcut, or we can say like not shortcut, we can say we have some like the keyboard shortcut which you can use with that. Like if I will do man space and ls command, so list directory contents. If I will use enter here, enter key, so line by line it will scroll down line by line. If I will use space bar, so page by page, right? If you want to scroll page by page, you can use here space bar key. In your keyboard, page up and page down key is there. If you will use that page down or page up, so page by page up or down, you can do that like this: page up, page down, right? That key also you can use. Up down arrow, if you want to up or down line by line, so up down arrow you can use, like down arrow and up arrow, like this you can use. Then if you want to like down half page down if you want to do, so you can use d, small d, small u for half page up, like this you can use. And one more feature here we have, if you want to search something, so you can use slash, and then you can type like I want to search for directory. So here it is showing you there's a directory word that is highlighted. So like this we can use man. After man, then the next command we have, that is help command. Right, so help command display the brief summary of shell built-in commands. That is best for built-in commands, but we can use for external command also, like this. If I use here like help space and built-in commands, means here we have built-in command, that is cd command is built-in command. If I do enter, here it is showing me the information, right, like this. Or if I'll go scroll up, so here it is showing change the shell working directory, change the current directory, home shell variable. So it is showing all the information related to that. If I'll try to use this help command with mkdir, mkdir is accessed by a file. That's not a built-in command, that's a external command, so it is not working. What I can do, for the external command I can use mkdir hyphen hyphen help command, then it will show you the information, right? So that means for built-in commands, help space and the command you can use, and for external commands you need to use command and then space hyphen hyphen help. Like this you can check, right? After help command, then we have few more commands which you can use to take the help, but that is the different type of help. Like the first one is type. With the type command, type means what? Type is command identity checker, right? Type is command identity checker. So if you want to check what type of command is that, like built-in command is that, file is there, alias is that. So for that we can use type. So if I check with type space cd, so it is showing me it is shell built-in. If I check for pwd, it is shell built-in command. If I check for mkdir, so it is showing my mkdir is hashed, it is accessed with this file. Or if I use here one option hyphen t, so directly it will show me it is accessed by this file. Like this also you can check hyphen t option. So sometime if you don't know what type of command you are using, so you can use type command. Then if you want to check the like executable path, so we have command which and mkdir. So it is showing me slash usr when mkdir. Or if I will check here which space cd. So here usr when cd. So it will show you the like executable path also. And if I will uh, check with whereis command, we have a one command whereis also. So whereas command will show me the executable path with all the related like files also. So related to mkdir, this one is also man page access from here. So all the files related to that mkdir, it will show me whereas. So that's also a command by which you can take the help. So it whereas will show me binary, source, main page, all the type of files. Then if you want one line description, one line description means I want to know what is mkdir or what's the use of mkdir. So it will show me make directories. What is, or I want to check pwd, it will show me like this. What is, and free command we have. So it will show me display amount for free and use memory. So like this, if you want to check the use, so you can check. That is also important commands. So it will give you the quick idea about command without opening full main page. Right, then we have a command that is apropos. Apropos command will search by the keyword if you don't know the command name, right? Suppose if you don't know the command name which is related to password, so what we can do here, we have command apropos space password. It will show you all the commands related to the password. So all the commands describe this one password agent, or if I'll go up, so here pass wd, you can see all the commands from here. I run so chase command, change user password expiry, ch password, ch pass wd, crack live check. So all the commands related to password it will show you. Apropos, or if I go for what, storage, so it will show me all the commands related to storage, portable system reset. Or if I'll go up, so build in images or something, nvme, this one, crypt, defsync, core dump. So all the commands it will show you. And then the last one is here we have, that is who command. With who command you can check all the currently login users, right? On login screen, here we have this one. Or if I will check who am I, so it will show you the user by which I'm logged in, root. So like this you can check. Right, so these are the commands by which you can take the help in Linux, and these are the most important commands if you are working in your Linux or in your environment, so they will help you. So that's all for today, guys. If you have any doubt in today's session, just comment me. I will cover that in next video. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and we'll meet in next video. Thank you everyone.